Hey guys, this is my friend Jill. This is a Hutch that she has had for 12 years?
It's my husband's grandparents' Hutch.
Okay.
So
you painted it black, right?
Yes,
It used to be brown, so she painted it black, and she just needs a little help in styling it. So I came over, and we styled it first like farmhouse. The room is very tall, so this needs to be made visually a little higher. Jill made a great point of like separating the whites into different pieces, so it's always nice to have like pops of color in several different areas. And then we've also got some browns, and again, we want to kind of sprinkle them throughout. The one trick with this one is that it's black, so I had a really cool black piece, but like you just couldn't see it. So we were like, some things just didn't make the cut. Next, we're going to show you something a little different. Okay, so this we've styled in Jill's style.
Yes.
So I want to point out just a couple things. We've got some brass accents going on. We've got some silver. We made something go up high. So it's a little bit similar to the style we did before, but this is totally you. So we basically just said, do you love it?
I do love it.
Yeah.
I love that there's masculine pieces, which Chris knows is my favorite. I like masculine and feminine, and so she did such a great job putting together the pieces I love. So thank you. I love it.
All right, so this is Farmhouse Luxe.